Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teach Marky U. For this video, I'm going to show you the answers in your activity sheet number 1, which is about earthquake waves or seismic waves. So let us now begin. Question number 1. What is the main cause of seismic waves? The correct answer is earthquake. Question number 2. Look at the image below. What layer of the earth is being pointed by the letter B? The correct answer is mantle. Question number 3. What type of wave is P wave? The correct answer is longitudinal. Question number 4. Why is there an abrupt change in the speed of seismic waves as they travel inside the earth? It is because seismic waves are... The correct answer is going into a material with different properties and densities. Question number 5. Which of the following waves travel the fastest and are detected first in the seismic station? The correct answer is primary. Question number 6. Study the picture below. What type of seismic wave is shown? The correct answer is primary wave. Question number 7. Which type of wave does not travel through a liquid? The correct answer is secondary wave. Question number 8. How do rock particles move during the passage of primary waves? The correct answer is back and forth perpendicular to the direction of the waves. Question number 9. Based on the image below, it is seen that the movement of the ground is rise and fall, which seems to be perpendicular to the wave direction. What do you think is the type of wave is shown? The correct answer is secondary wave. Question number 10. Which of the following statements is correct? The correct answer is S waves are slower than P waves. Question number 11. In which media can primary waves travel? The correct answer is both liquids and solids. Question number 12. It is the fastest among the surface waves. The correct answer is lava wave. Question number 13. Which of the following is true about the Earth's crust? The correct answer is crust is a solid rock layer that makes up the outermost shell of the Earth. Question number 14. Study the image below. What type of seismic wave that travels or passes through the Earth's interior as pointed by line number 2? The correct answer is secondary wave. Question number 15. Which statement is true about P and S waves? The correct answer is P waves are the fastest waves that arrive first at the seismic station before S waves. Question number 16. Look at the image below. Those wiggly lines appear in the seismograph when an earthquake occurs. It gives information to the seismologists as to how powerful an earthquake is. What do you call this? The correct answer is seismogram. Question number 17. Which of the following statements best describes the outer core? The correct answer is the outer core is thought to be liquid. Alright, this ends this video. Congratulations if your score is 9 or above, and if your score is 8 or below, it means that you have to watch again my video discussion and look for those answers in your missed questions. Thank you for listening.